Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm unbox the neckband Boat Rockerz 330 Pro, which is recently launched in India. You will get it within 1500. Some of key highlights I will show you. ENX technology has used for the best audio quality, and the beast mode for low latency, and as this neckband has used the battery as for the fast charging support. And at the back side, some of features are also provided over here. 10 mm drivers are provided, magnetic earbuds, and this neckband is IPX5 water resistant. I bought this in blue color, navy blue. Let's unbox this. Hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's see what we have in the box. First, you can see neckband, and we get this pouch. In a pouch we get charging cable, USB type C charging cable, some ear tips as per your regarding, and some documents provided by the boards. This is 1-year warranty card. Some of colors are provided over here: blue, black, red, green. You can get 5 colors on it. Board has given a sticker also. The neckband, the quality of the silicone, this rubber is very good. This is skin friendly, and the battery compartment are made of metal, and all switches buttons are provided over here: volume up and down, and the play and pause in the between. And yeah, this is magnetic. and charging port is provided over here. Charging port is provided over here. This neckband was recently launched. It is a bot Rockerz 330 Pro. This is the only unboxing of video of this bot Rockerz 330 Pro. After using few days, I will give you a good review on this neckband. Mainly what I like of this neckband is the battery backup. The battery backup of the neckband is 60 hours in one charge. Thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to press the notification bell and stay tuned for the next video.